What's up everyone and welcome back to another video. So you have already created your own token but nobody can buy it yet. Creating a liquidity pool is the step that turns a token into a tradable cryptocurrency. Anyone in the world globally can buy or trade your token or crypto once you have created a liquidity pool. And MintCraft makes this step ridiculously easier. In this quick video, I'm going to create a Raydium liquidity pool, snipe my own tokens, and burn my liquidity pool tokens to earn a transaction fee for the rest of my life, all in one single transaction. Let me show you how. So the first step is to log into mintcraft.io. The link is in the description, and once you are here, navigate to create a liquidity pool or just click on liquidity pools and you will be shown two different type of options. But before we jump in and create our liquidity pool step by step, I briefly want to cover that in order to create a liquidity pool, you first need to create your token. Now we have already covered this step in the last video and you can find the link in the description of this video, but I want to briefly cover this. In a nutshell, it's basically a very simple process. You don't need any wallets or crypto to create your token. Just fill in some basic information like your token name, symbol, supply, logo, description, pay using your credit card or Apple Pay, Google Pay, etc. And you can sign up to a wallet using your email and social logins. Once done, you will be able to see the newly created tokens in your crypto wallet like these. We will be creating a liquidity pool for one of these tokens in this video. So jumping back to the liquidity pool. Now you've got two options, CPMM and CLMM. CPMM is the constant product. Set it and forget it. Perfect for meme coins and most new token launches. Now CLMM or concentrated liquidity is a bit more advanced and technical. So you have to set the price range for higher fee capture, but you have to manage it. For 99% of the launches, just simply go with CPMM. You can never go wrong with the standard AMM pool. It's a very simple process. The first step is to select your base token. In this case, we are going to create a pool for this token that we have created in the previous video. It's called oil. And you have to set the supply that you will be allocating for oil token in this liquidity pool. In this case, we have a supply of 1 billion tokens and I will be allocating 900 million token supply towards this liquidity pool. And the remaining 10% will stay in my wallet and I will keep it. The next step is to set how much Solana you are pairing with this token. So this is your initial liquidity. The more you add, the deeper the pool and the less volatile your price will be. It's always recommended to add at least $5,000 to $8,000 worth of Solana in this liquidity pool for a successful launch. If you add less than that, the chances obviously decline for a successful launch. But if you add a higher liquidity or Solana to the liquidity pool, there's a higher chance your price will be stable. It will be a successful launch. In this case, since this is just for demo purpose, I will be adding 0.1 Solana since I don't want anyone to buy this token and lose their money. Now the next is fee tier. You can select from a range of different fee tiers, but the most commonly used as well as the default one is 0.25. So I would recommend you just keep it that way. You can also set a specific time for the launch, but in most of the cases you will be launching now. So I'll keep it at launch now. And here's where this gets interesting. See this toggle section. Most platforms basically stop here. You create a pool and that's it. Now MintCraft gives you 4 power moves you can stack into the same transaction, which is extremely powerful. So the first toggle is the first creator buy. This means the moment your pool goes live, MintCraft automatically executes the first buy of your own token from a wallet that you create. In this case, it's going to be the same wallet with which you are creating this liquidity pool. But why does this really matter? Because snipers, bots are constantly scanning for new liquidity pools. The second your pool appears, they buy before anyone else. First buy makes sure you, the creator, are the first buyers, not the bot. So in this case, I will be turning this option on and I'll be using 0.02 Solana for this transaction. The second toggle is the anti-snipe, and this one is more powerful than the creator first buy because with this option, you can snipe your own token from 5 different wallets. This is like first buy on steroids. Instead of one wallet buying first, you can set multiple wallets to buy simultaneously in the same transaction. This gives you better holder distribution from the first option. which looks healthier on token scanners and protects you from external snipers as well. In order to use this feature, you have to paste the keys or import your different wallets, and you can set the individual amounts from each wallet that will be sniping your tokens. In this case, I don't have any extra wallet to import here, but if you do, make sure to use the anti-sniper feature. It is super powerful. Now the third option is called instant buy or lock, and this is where MintCraft makes it so powerful. You have three different options: buy and earn, burn, or lock the liquidity pools token. So in this case, you can lock the liquidity pool token for a specific amount of time as soon as you create the liquidity pool. Burn is basically you simply burn the tokens so that your community can trust you that you won't be removing your tokens. But there's a third option which makes it the most powerful tool, and this is exclusively available on mintcraft.io. This simply does not exist anywhere else, and this is called buy and earn the liquidity pool tokens. So when you enable this, your liquidity pool tokens are permanently burned in the same transaction that creates the pool. You can never remove the liquidity, you can never rug pull, but, and this one is the key, you can still earn the trading fee from every transaction that happens on your pool forever. Trust plus income. So no other platform offers this, not even Pump.fun. This is exclusive to MintCraft and of course Raydium itself. So I'll be checking this on. As soon as the liquidity pool is created, we will instantly burn our liquidity pool tokens and we will be receiving a fee key NFT. So this will be an essential NFT in our wallet that will enable us to basically earn the trading fee for the rest of our lives from this pool, even after burning the tokens. The next one is Tokenomics. This is totally optional. You can either upload your Tokenomics picture here, or you can set up your Tokenomics here. In this case, I will be setting up something simple. So it looks great. You can also add some community links, which is totally optional, but make sure to add your communities here. This is extremely powerful and this is absolutely free. So let me recap what's about to happen in one single transaction. We will create our Raydium liquidity pool, execute the first buy to beat the snipers, snipe from additional wallets for an equal distribution, and permanently burn the liquidity pool tokens while keeping the fee earnings for the rest of our lives. All of this is going to happen in one click, one single transaction. Here we go. So once you make sure everything is correct, click on create the CPMM pool. It typically takes a few seconds. So done, the pool is live. The token is now tradable on Raydium. We can verify this on DexScreener as well as Raydium. And as you can see on DexScreener, it has this liquidity pool lockup as well, which verifies that the liquidity pool tokens are completely burned. As you can click here, the token is already up by 153% or so. There are more than 30 transactions already, which is amazing. So we have 10% of the supply plus the additional 0.02 Solana worth of tokens that we bought initially in the first created buy. Now I can obviously sell those tokens for a profit right away because I'm already up in my initial investment by 370% or so. And by the way, my initial liquidity was 0.1 Solana, which is basically nothing. So if you're injecting $5,000 or maybe more worth of Solana in your liquidity pool, you will be getting a huge upside as soon as you launch your token using MintCraft, because the most important thing is locking or basically burning your liquidity pool tokens. And on every single transaction, all the 43 transactions that are shown here, I am earning 0.25% fee. And this can be verified when you come back to the transaction. So here you can see there is a fee NFT in my wallet now. If you click on my account, you will be able to verify this as well. Here we go. So this is the fee key NFT, which is in my wallet now. There are two actually because I have created two different pools, but this is the key which will enable my wallet to receive the transaction fee from each and every transaction that happens on this pool for the rest of my life. And obviously, if you have the right marketing, the right liquidity injected in the pool, you will obviously have a very successful launch and your token can get into millions of dollars of market cap. There are more and more buys coming in, and these are all organic buys, maybe by bots, maybe by people. But this is just a proof of concept to show that in order to have a successful launch, you can use MintCraft. It's a very powerful tool. You will be able to do all of these functions in one single transaction, which makes the huge difference between a successful launch and a non-successful launch. Once everything is done, you can always come back to mintcraft.io, go to my account, and from here you can get into the dashboard as well. And from dashboard, you will be able to see all the tokens that you have created. You will be able to see the liquidity pools that you have created, the fee that you have received. you will be able to see all the NFTs that are present in your wallet. These are all the fee NFTs. This is the pool that we have created. So this is earning fee. As you can see here, you will be able to see token vesting as well in case you have locked your tokens or in case you have locked your liquidity pool tokens. And inside the LP locks, you will be able to see any liquidity pool tokens that are locked with MintCraft, and you'll be able to see if there is any vesting period or not. From here, we can actually click on the public page on any token, and you will be able to see this very nice page which shows all the tokenomics as well as the community, supply, and safety score for any token as well. Right now, we have a safety score of 85 by 100, which is pretty amazing. The only thing that is not revoked is the metadata authority, which does not honestly make so much of a difference. And the other thing is social presence, since these are all made up websites and communities that we have injected. Otherwise, it would have been 100%. You will be able to see and verify the market data from here as well. The market cap, liquidity, holders, 24 hours volume, and the price as well. You can see this on Raydium. You can trade it on Raydium from here. All the other details, for example, the launchpad details, as well as the current status of the liquidity pool locked or liquidity pool burn. Right now it shows 50% burn. However, it is 100% burn. This will be updated as Raydium updates this on the pool itself. You'll be able to find other details like mint address, creator, all the other details that are available on SolScan. The best thing about this one public page is that you can share this with your community, and your community can verify all the details about your token along with the trust scores, safety scores, etc. If you go back to our token, it is still up by 224%. There are some sell orders, 65 plus transactions. But in my case, this is just a demo token. So I'm not going to sell this token, or I'm not going to do anything. And besides, I cannot remove the liquidity as well. So just to recap, that's a full token launch pipeline from zero to tradable on Raydium with anti-snipe protection and permanent liquidity pool burn in one single transaction. If you want to try this yourself, link is in the description. It's mintcraft.io. There is no wallet needed. You can pay with credit card as well, and you can launch your own Solana token or crypto in under 60 seconds without any hurdles whatsoever. I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.